Hi everyone, Lisa here from Down to Earth Gardening. Today I'm in sunny Florida and I'm so excited. I want to bring you on a garden tour. I'm down here in Largo, Florida, really close to where my son, daughter-in-law, and grandsons live. I love coming down here in the middle of the winter and getting a bit of sunshine and seeing some flowers in bloom. So this garden that I'm going to show you today is Florida Botanical Gardens, and like I said, it's in Largo, Florida. It is a public garden, about 100 acres, and it's free to the public, which is totally amazing. You can of course become a member here and give donations, but they have lots of flora, fauna, and they talk a lot about natural resources and sustainable gardening. So I'm really excited to give you a tour and see some sunshine and some flowers. So the only thing that I'm not excited about, and I just want to show you quick here, is this, which we don't have in Connecticut, thank goodness. So I'm not loving that. I'm going to be on the lookout for that, but I hope you enjoy as much as I do. Thank you for joining me. I just wanted to take a minute to round out our tour. We're going to finish it after I'm chatting for a couple minutes with our butterfly garden, but I just wanted to take a moment to tell you how much I really enjoyed it down here and to thank you all for joining me. It is the middle of January and the temperatures did drop a little bit last weekend to about 40 degrees, which is kind of shocking for the plants down here. So you'll see a little bit of wilt, a little bit of browning, but plants are resilient, so they are going to bounce back, and it is high 60s and beautiful today. So in the butterfly garden here, I see some plants that I recognize from my zone. I see some nasturtium, I see some beautiful salvia. It's getting a lot of butterfly action. And let's see, we've got some monarda over here and some coneflower. So I can't wait to show you the end of the tour. I think you're really going to enjoy it and get to see some butterflies. You will hear some construction in the background, and it's kind of exciting because they're building a children's garden which should be done the middle of summer. So that's very exciting here. So thank you again for joining me. If you like the video, tap like and subscribe for some future gardening fun with us and some more field trips, but stay tuned for the butterflies.